Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error code 0xd0000034 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection. Go to fast.com and hit enter. Let the internet connection speed pop up, and if it is good enough, then move to the next solution. The next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The last solution will be to reset Windows Update components. Now we have a script here. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.